Hello everyone, how is everybody today? Today is another video brought to you by my assistant of a toy surprise review. Today we have a merbaby. Look how cute that is. Assistant, would you like to assist in this toy? And what are you doing, assistant?
First I need to place water in here.
She needs to put water in the toy fish, and then she needs to put it in that little lock and blow it in there and twist it. Twist it. Did it open it? Try again. Uh-oh, my assistant is struggling to open the toy. Okay, wait a minute. Looks like my assistant finally got the toy opened. All right, assistant. What do we have? We have... Look, it looks like a beautiful bird. What are you doing to it, assistant? Can you tell me? Don't do that. It says you have to twist it 2 times this way. You have to twist it in a circle. Can you do that? Twist it. Keep twisting it. There we go. Look at that. A beautiful bird. Look how cute. Look, it has a mermaid tail. Isn't that cute? What do you think, assistant?
So cute.
It says that you can rescue up to 21 different ones, and they all look so adorable. Look at those. Look how cute. Those are very cute. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, please. And the instructions also has a birth certificate on the back of it, of adoption. Look how cute. Alright, assistant, you want to help hold the paper down so we can look? So we have all these different ones to look at. Look how cute. Very, very cute. And you got a parrot. Assistant says, thank you for watching our video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to see more videos of toy reveals. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.
I did good.